was blinking red. When you got a established connection, it will just lit up and stay green. And then we can go here. See, it's already there. Beach mount. I already configured that second Mia. And we got a green check mark. We got the HMI, and then you got the PLC that you can go in there and establish. So if we want to connect to the HMI, and my laptop's wireless right now, so I'm able to communicate to it
outside.
Yeah. See, so we're connected, right?
Perfect.
So now that we're connected, we can go to the HMI program.
Wirelessly.
Yep. And we're gonna connect to it. We're just gonna establish a connection. It's for whatever reason we need to like send an update or it's reading it this time. So just for just to test it out, we're gonna pretend that we're gonna send the program through it remotely, wirelessly. And there it goes. But because it's doing it wirelessly, it's gonna take a minute.